and it won to 1.5. So as you guys can see, this was a clear win. This was clearly a beautiful win at this point. So as you can see, this was a beautiful win. So I hope you guys. Okay, what's poppin', guys? It's your boy iamXO, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the volume weighted average price line, which is the VWAP, in combination with the Ichimoku cloud indicator, the VWAP indicator plus the Ichimoku cloud indicator in one trading strategy. Let's see if it's going to be a successful trading strategy, or will it be another rubbish nonsense forex trading indicator combination trading strategy. Is it going to be the best intraday trading strategy? I don't know, guys. So let's find that out in this video right now. Let's get started. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free. You can always unsubscribe. Like and share this video to help the YouTube algorithm rank this video so that more people can find this video. So, and if you have any questions or video ideas you want me to make, please make sure to drop a comment, and I'll make sure to answer every comment and make those videos if they are highly requested. And enjoy the video. First and first, before we do anything, we have to plot the indicators on our chart. So it's you just go to this point and you search for VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price line. You click on it, and there it is on your chart. So because I want to make it stand out so it don't get swallowed in the Ichimoku cloud, you guys know how the Ichimoku cloud looks like. It's crazy. All right, so let me put in the Ichimoku cloud. So there it is. As you can see, guys, this is the reason why I made it thick and black, because it's gonna get swallowed by this Ichimoku cloud lines. So guys, as you can see, the strategy I'll be using for this Ichimoku cloud and the VWAP line combination strategy is I will take trades for a buy when the price is above the VWAP line and above the Ichimoku cloud. Alright, this is the cloud, and this is the baseline and the conversion line. So when the baseline crosses the conversion line, I'll be looking to get in on the trade. And as you can see, the conversion line is crossing the baseline, so I will looking to take my trades at this point right here. And if you guys watched my previous VWAP videos, you see that I say whenever the price comes back to this VWAP line, of course, you know, this is the volume weighted average price line, which means when the price gets back to this point, it's more likely to respect it. All right, I'm not saying it does that all the time. I'm saying it's more likely to respect it if you add it in combination with other confluences, like I'm doing now with the Ichimoku cloud and the entry signal. Like you guys know, I like to take my trades after an engulfing candlestick, and as you can see, let me show you guys a really cool example. So as the VWAP line crossed, I will give you guys more clear examples on the VWAP and the Ichimoku the VWAP and the Ichimoku cloud line. So this is actually a good trading opportunity. Like you can see the VWAP, the bounce on the VWAP line and the Ichimoku cloud started going in the same direction, which is more likely to me. This is a cross, like this is a good sign for a trade. So guys, as you guys always know, I like to use the ATR value for my stops and targets. So at this engulfing candlestick is a 146. So 146 times 2 is probably going to be in 192. Let's check that. 146 times 1.5. Oh, sorry, times 2. 292. So it wants 1.5 as always. So guys, it's up to you. If you want to take a 1 to 10, it's up to you. 1 to 1.5 is just minimal, like it's the most. Anything that below a 1.5 for a normal trade, not scalping, then 1.5 is great. I don't take 1.5 on my own main trades, but a 1.5 is good for beginner traders who don't know how to endure seeing losses. So let's take a sell trade at this point. You can see the VWAP, the price is below the VWAP line, and you can see the cloud is above the price. The price is below the cloud and below the VWAP line, and we can see a cross. So let's see, it's crossed at this point. So we're probably gonna get in on this trade at this point. So what's the value for this? 410. So are you guys actually watching me do this? Like, are you guys seeing this? I was just trying to mess with you guys. So there was no engulfing candlestick at this point, so I'm not gonna take this trade. So if you're actually waiting for me to place this trade, you're doing something wrong. Don't trade like this. Wait for some more confluences, guys. Trading just based off of the cross and VWAP is not enough, guys. You need more confluences, like an entry price action confluence. And engulfing candlestick is a price action. So you're mixing VWAP, Ichimoku cloud, and price action, which is the engulfing candlestick. So basically, there's no trade for us to take at this point, even if there's a cross and everything is in good, perfect condition. So let's wait. New entry. Alright, like you can clearly see there's a cross at this point. Okay guys, as you can see at this point I saw a cross, but the cross, there was no entry, so I was waiting for an entry. So if this was like a live trade, I would have waited for an entry, which is this engulfing candlestick at this point, and then you just check the value, which is 143 times 1 point, times 2, sorry, that is 286. So 286, you guys can see that clearly. So where's the entry? Okay, at this point, so 286 is gonna be my entry, and a 1 to 1.5. So as you guys can see, this was a clear win. This was clearly a beautiful win at this point. So as you can see, this was a beautiful win. So I hope you guys understand the concept. You guys need to trade with risk management, because this strategies has no guarantee in the market. Like, you can't win 100% of the time. This is for those who like trading with indicators and all those good stuff. So adding in some more confluences like the engulfing candlestick is actually good, like something really good that you should do, and not just entering trades based off of random indicators. Of course, indicators are usually lagging, so adding in some price action will filter out some bad trades. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It took me time to make these videos and edit and upload and all this good stuff, but I'm doing this for you guys. So if you really found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified, because if you subscribe without hitting the bell icon, you will most likely not get notified of my new videos. So subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified, like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm so more people can find it. Leave a comment on your questions. If you have any question or have any video idea you want me to make, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay X.